What's wrong, Zog?
Give me just 1 second. Yes, I got it.
Got what?
A way to free the next master.
What?
I have the location in a message.
I see. It's gibberish.
It's not.
It's encrypted?
Encrypted? Now, what mumbo jumbo is that?
Not mumbo jumbo, it's a trick. Imagine you have a secret message for Tyra, but you are worried that if Zoe reads it, then it will not be a secret anymore. How will you keep your message a secret?
Maybe I could change the message a bit, in a way that Zoe won't understand it.
Exactly. And that's what encrypted means. Hiding the true meaning of your message.
So you hid it from me. But now Tyra too will not know the meaning of this message.
Uh-oh.
Well, if I tell Tyra beforehand that the changes I'll make, she will know how to read the message.
Crack that too? You're one true nerd, my friend.
Little Theo has now become Smart Little Theo.
But I'm still Lil, huh?
Yup.
Those changes you tell Tyra beforehand are nothing but the key.
So, I'm guessing you have the key for this.
Yes, little Theo.